How to open Barclays Bank account online step by step. First, head over to any browser on your device, or you can also open Google on your device. With the help of the search bar or the web address bar, type in Barclays Bank and search for it. Once you reach on the result page, you will see many links for the Barclays Bank. You need to choose the official link so that you can enter the official website of Barclays. So you need to choose the Barclays Bank for US. So tap on it and open the website of it. Once it opens, you will get access to the official interface of Barclays Bank online account. Now tap Open Account button at top of the screen to create account on Barclays Bank online. On this account ownership page, you will see the two requirements, that is social security number or taxpayer identification number and the external bank routing and account number. If you already have an application, you can tap on the link given below and start an application. Or else you can easily choose the account ownership type. Once you have selected, tap the continue button at bottom of the screen to access the next page. When you scroll a bit down, you will see the personal information that you need to fill up: your first name, NI, which is optional, last name, suffix, that is optional, social security number, date of birth, email address, primary phone numbers. You need to add another phone number, permanent address, including the city, state, zip code, occupation, and your login information. Once you have done all that, you can easily enroll into factor authentication by tapping on Yes, I acknowledge, and after that, you can tap the Continue button. With that, you can easily open Barclays Bank account online step by step. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.